Before transferring scan data to the Visualizer 3D Studio software, your computer must be paired with your Rover C4 via Bluetooth. Click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Select Devices and add Bluetooth or other device. Choose Bluetooth and make sure your device is turned on and discoverable. Click on OKM Rover C4 and confirm. Select Memory to PC on your Rover C4 and choose the file you would like to transfer. You can only transfer 3D ground scan and mineral scan files to Visualizer 3D Studio. If the scan file has a green checkmark, it has already been transferred. Open Visualizer 3D Studio and select File and Import from the menu or click the icon. Select Rover C4 version 3.4 or higher. Wait a moment until your device interface is listed. Now select the entry and proceed. Select the desired operating mode. Remember, pinpointer scan results are displayed in real time in the software. Choose the correct number of impulses for your 3D ground scan. Add further scan parameters and finish the scan transfer by clicking OK. Now you can analyze your 3D ground scans and mineral scans in detail.